Hi Internet friends, it's Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions with a quick bonus tip today on stairs. I want to show you, the question popped up and I thought I had a video on this previously, but I can't find it. So here it is. We've got a situation where there's two stair sections landing in between, and we want a railing, we want the railing here but not here. So when I open the stairs, just double click on it and click on railing and uncheck left, it disappears here and it disappears here. Let's go back and put that railing on the left and it's there again. The trick to having no railing on this stair section and keeping the railing on both sides of this stair section is to shift click on this stair section we want to alter. So I'm going to shift and double click on that, go to railing and uncheck left. Oops. And voila. No railing here on this first stair section. Keep rails on both sides. Let's take a quick view of this. And you can see how that has worked. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Click like and subscribe down there, leave a comment, and do share. Thanks so much.